foundation. Before me, you had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I did this. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna show you how to fix your lumpy ass wig, okay? Because some of y'all wigs be looking like helmets, and I'm here to show you how to properly use your hot comb. Because I know, like, sometimes people feel like hot comb is a waste of money, but I'm here to show you that it's not. How to lay your wigs real flat. I'm also going to show you how I did the edges on this wig. It's looking kind of crazy, but I'm going to show you a quick edges. If you want a more detailed edges tutorial, I will link it in the eye above over here so you can check it out. And I'm also going to show you how I did this hairstyle. This is like a trending hairstyle right now, so you can do this for your prom. This video is sponsored with UNice Hair. This is their 26-inch HD lace frontal. So if you're interested in an HD lace frontal, I recommend this wig. I will have it linked down below so you guys can check it out. And yeah, I would definitely, let's get right into this video. So starting off, I'm going to be using the Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation in the color 14. I'm going to put this both on the bottom of the lace and the top of the lace. As you can see, the lace is very thin. You can see by the edges of the lace, this is what your HD lace should look like. It should not be a blunt chop or anything like that. It should be very frail. And now I'm going to put it on. I did go ahead and cut off the front of the lace just using my regular eyebrow razor, and I just kind of took my time and make it frail. I did not cut it in a straight line. I'm going ahead and cutting off the ear tabs. I will have a video linked in the eye above and below so you guys can check out my dedicated ear tab tutorial. I'm cutting off too much lace at the front of my forehead just because I need this wig to lay properly around my hairline. So I'm cutting off some of that extra lace that is too long, and I'm using that same razor to cut it. So I basically cut the lace just like this, going up and down. Once you do that, you want to part your hair down the middle because we're going to go ahead and start hot combing this wig. I just got this hot comb from Amazon, and this is not the real hot comb yet. I'm actually going to show you guys how to get your wig super flat. So I'm going to cut off the baby hairs, but before you start the edges, you want to make sure that you take out some of the hairline and start plucking it because you don't want it to be so thick. When it's thick like that, it looks fake.
Or do nothing at all. Yeah.
So now I'm just going to spray some water on the hairline and part it again, making sure that it's more to the center. The part is very long because it is a 13x6 lace. So I'm plucking out some of that hair in the back just to make sure that my part is easy to draw in. I'm going to use this Erickaj wax stick and I'm going to start flattening my hair. You can use any wax stick of your choice, but this is very important that you do this wax sticks method to flatten your hair so you can have that nice natural scalp-like install. I'm parting and going through the hair and putting the wax all throughout the roots of the hair. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the hot comb to flatten it down. I'm going to slow the video down so I could show you guys exactly how I hot comb the wig. So just section off the hair, put your wax, and then when you're using your comb, try bending your comb to the back to flatten, like bend the back so it can flatten out the hair. And you can see how silky this looks. So you just want to do that all throughout the hair, and that's going to give you your silkiest install ever. Make sure that you're pushing the back of the hot comb onto the root, so that's going to flatten it out. You don't just want to comb through it because that's not really doing anything. So when you put the wax stick, make sure you're pushing the back of the comb onto the lace. But don't leave it too long. You literally want to do this so quick because it is going to feel hot on your real scalp if you hold it down too long. And then I put some of that wax on my hands as well to silky out that. You guys can see what I'm doing, so yeah.
Two.
a star. You and you can raise water with my friends. Two girls so bad we have to be down, but I don't want you for my man, yeah. For my man, yeah. We sing too when we get party, yeah. People do, follow me around, know it. I got money on me, know it. I got money in my pocket, I know it. Pain goes away when you can't see it. Pain goes away when you're with me. Even when you're trying to follow risk, it's alright. You're a star in my head. Is it cool? I need to raise water with my friends. Oh, you're so bad, we don't need to be pretend, but I don't want more of you or my friends. You're my baby, yes. You're my baby, yes. Because true, when we can party, don't see you. You're my best friend. Follow me around, do it. I got money on you, do it. I got money in my pocket, I'm loaded.
And then once you're done, I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses foundation in the color 11. And I'm going to go ahead and fix up the part. This is going to make the part look more defined. And it's going to get rid of any black situation from my hair or just the knots. Now I'm going to go ahead and stick down the wig using the Erickaj hairspray and just blow it. This is just my regular install. And then I'm going to do some wispy edges. I'm using my small red flat iron and I'm just going to curl the edges. I do have a dedicated edges tutorial if you want to check that out. And now I want to try out this hairstyle, so I'm removing two little pieces at the front of my hair. And then I am flat twisting the both sides into a ponytail in the back. Then I'm going to go ahead and use the hot comb to make sure that the hair is nice and flat. And I'm using my Ion interchangeable curling wand in the 1-inch barrel, and I'm going to curl the hair all throughout. I'm basically done. All I'm going to do is comb out the front pieces, and then I'm going to brush through the back of the hair, and that's going to just give it this fluffy look. And this is basically the end of the video, so I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends, and I'm just going to play some music and you guys can keep watching the rest of this video. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to visit UNice Hair. I will have the links to this wig down below. This is their HD lace frontal. This wig was very easy to work with, and the thing I like about the texture is it's a little bit more coarse than the smooth texture wigs. Super beautiful, and I got this top from Zara, so check out my Zara haul if it's already up. If it's not up, I'll have it linked up here if it's up already, but if it's not, make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you will see when my Zara haul drops. All those stuff in the back there, I'm going to be trying it on. So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking me out, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye!
Tell me no, tell me sign, tell me is someone